Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add pictures in your post on TikTok. Very easy, very simple. Let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. Second thing you want to do, you want to go back to the original page where you actually publish. It will be on your home screen. Then you want to click the plus sign and then you want to select image that you want to publish. Remember, you can actually select the multiple images. When you click on select multiple, you can select two images at the same time. Select one on the top right corner, then you want to essentially go back, click over here, and then you can select the second one. Then you press next, then you press post, and you can simply proceed by publishing images on your actual post. The main point over here is that you are posting a slideshow with the music, with editing, same effects that you usually will use when you're editing or publishing a video. This is very helpful and very effective. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.